Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. I'm Curtis, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a play screen in Roblox for your Roblox game. The first thing we want to do is add a screen GUI. Now let's add a frame. So now we have a frame. I kind of forgot what the size is, but go to size, make it 1 by 0 by 1 by 0. Okay, I got it correct. Now go back to the screen GUI, name it to what you want. So I'm gonna name it to start screen, just like that. And then give me a second. Actually, I need to quickly okay, never mind. So above the name, it's gonna say ignore golden sen. I don't really know how to say it, but turn that on. If you don't, it's gonna show this thing right here. It's not gonna cover the very top. Now let's go ahead, let's color it, and we're basically done. Well, actually, if you want to do something kind of cool, you can do this transparency thing like that. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Now let's go ahead, add a text label and a text button. Let's have the text button here and the text label here. Make the label like this big, and then make sure the background transparency is 1. Add a font if you want. Text, name it to whatever you want. I'm just gonna have it welcome, I guess. Make it to whatever color you want, and then text scaled, so we can have it like that. Now we want to have our play button, so let's go ahead and do this. Then let's color it. Okay, and I'll link it in the description if I remember. Sorry if I do not remember, but this index should be 1, and then the button should be 2. If you make it 2, you'll see the text. Then let's the font, the text, so play, and then the text color, I'm gonna have it as green, and then text scale, so you can play. Then what we want to do is we want to take this button and we want to duplicate it, and then name this to credits, and also name this to play. You can choose credits or how to play, it does not matter. Take the credits button and move it down like this, and then change the text to credits or how to play, however you want it. And then let's have just a normal white text color like that. Now let's go ahead and add a local script to credits. Make sure that it is credits. Now wait, actually one more thing. Add another frame and name this the credits frame. Then let's cover like that much. Make sure you cover everything. So Zindex is like 5. Then let's add a background color. Roundify it. And just kind of copy what I did in my last tutorial, but if you didn't see it, you roundify it. You take the credits frame, duplicate it, put one, put it into the other. This is I call this the main one. I call this the shadow one. And then you want to put the shadow one kind of like that. The Zindex is lower. And then if you scroll down to the image color, change that. But if you're not roundifying it, then just change the background color. So now we have it like that. Now we should have this shadow thing. Again, sorry if that doesn't make sense. But now let's add text label for credits. Put it right there. Zindex is 5, so we can see it. Then let's go ahead and make the background transparency to 1. Then again, let's do all this stuff. And then name it to credits. Then just duplicate that, put it down here. And then now change it to just whatever you want. So I'm just going to be putting it by VB for XR, very simple. Then in the credits frame, let's go ahead and add a text button like this. make sure the index is 6. Always pay attention to what I put as the index. Let's make it smaller like that and put it right there. You guys can probably tell what this is going to be. So we're saying, let's have a font. Let's name it to X. And let's make the text color to white. And then the background color to a reddish color. And then roundify it. And then make this to 6. And then the button to 7 so we can see the text. Let's put it like that. Text scaled. Yes. So now we have this type of thing. The next thing we want to do is in the credits, let's go into the local script that we added earlier. If you hadn't added a local script, just go ahead and do that. Now here we want to do local frame is going to be equal to script dot parent dot then credits frame. Wait, let's double check. Script dot parent. Oh, sorry. Parent dot parent. Now let's see if it's there. Credits frame. Yeah. And then dot visible. And make that to true. Oh wait, sorry. Just have it like that, sorry. And then we want to do, we'll call open is equal to false. Then here we want to do script.parent.mouse button one click. Then we make a function like that. And you should see that end thing there. Then if frame dot visible is equal to false, then frame dot visible visible is equal to true. Once we have done that, we're done with the credits button. Now let's go ahead, go to the close button. Let's add a local script. And then this one is going to be script.parent.mouse button one click. And then let's add a function here. Connect function to this. And we want to do script.parent.visible is equal to false. Now make sure you do not close these scripts. Those will be important. Now take the entire credits frame and make the visible to false. Actually, you can close the open. We don't need that anymore. Then go to the play, add a local script. And this is going to be the same thing as the close, but we're going to change it up a little. We want to do script.parent.visible is equal to false. So that's good, but we just kind of want to add it. Script.parent.credits frame is visible is equal to false. So this script should be in the plays button. This script should be in the X button in the credits frame. So there's 3 scripts. The first one is the play script. That's this one. The second one is the credits script, and that's this. And then this is in the credits frame that's going to close it, if that makes sense. Now here, the reason why we want to add both is if the credits frame is still open, then it's also going to close that. So make sure there's no errors by going to the output. So as you can see, if we click credits, we'll have this, and then we can exit. And if we click play, you can play. That's going to be the end of today's tutorial. If this helped or if you enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And yeah, bye guys!